Hello students, we will discuss a instrument, identify the instrument and tell what is the use. What this instrument is, this is Heath's, look at the spelling. Look at the spelling, Heath, H-E-A-T-H apostrophe S. Heath's suture cutting scissor. So what are the peculiar, see the more peculiar curvature makes it very easy to pass through. A tip is sharp, tip is very pointed and sharp. With the curve, you can hold easily, and with an artery forceps or 2 through forceps, you hold the knot, then lift it, then cut the stitch and pull it towards the wound, so that it will be removed easily. So it's very specific to remove the stitch. Very useful in all ward, casualty, emergency places or daycare places. This instrument is usually used and very useful, very essential, useful instrument. Heath's suture cutting scissors. So answer the MCQ. What this instrument below is. So this is the different scissor. What this scissor is? Identify. Metzenham scissor, Lister scissor, Mayo scissor, Potts scissor. So identify this scissor and tell. Tomorrow we'll have a comment about this and discuss basics about this one in the comment box. Please answer this one in the comment box before tomorrow's lecture. So go through my clinical methods in surgery, manual of surgery for detail, anything about instruments, operative surgery in detail, different instruments, for a technique, and digital lectures for UGs according to CBM syllabus, everything in detail, and also for basic for the postgraduates. I hope you can always take it for a year also. And so students, hope you understood the basic instrument, Heath's suture cutting scissor. Thank you very much.